This is what SHTF looks like when the power lines are burned in the ground. Really. This is a kangaroo clown show from Obama land. Needs to be locked up in a nut house. Literally, lock this fool up. He's the biggest fucking fool I ever saw. Pardon me, but he shouldn't have even been in the White House. Literally. And this thing, I've already went through every tank of propane and it's been filled. And I have to at least fill the 30-pounder and 150 40-pounder still. I'm going to the little gas generator I got than this big pile of crap. Really. The heater don't work. I'm running off buddy heaters and electric heaters and a generator. And space heaters. I'm getting sick of this crap. Literally, I paid my rent. You know, you can't have the power lines right in the ground to my house. I've been here 29 years and a half, and you can't. Where'd all the money go to? Oh, it's literally, it's that time. Finally, something works. Oh, by the way, that's the heater that costs $2,500. It don't work. You know, it was a direct short. You know, shit's burned out on their problem, not mine. I'm getting sick of this. Literally, I am. The clown show. You better wake up, dipshit. That's my refrigerator that was leaking water all over from the ice chest. So I threw it outside. I unplugged both fridges, emptied them both out. In that shed there's a refrigerator, freezer, and the power pack for solar. I have solar. Put it this way. It don't work too good. This is a 3,500 watt generator. Really. I made this for the bigger one. That's my camper. This has solar. I've already had this pre-set up. I was trying this out. This wasn't just a tryout thing. This actually happened. I don't have grid power. Period. They were all laughing at me when I first tried this and showed them all this. Oh, you've got grid. Well, let me explain this to you. I got proof I don't have grid. I have no meter. They took it. See all them dig lines? That's where the new lines are are going to go. They don't hit the gas line. Literally, they were here and marked the lines. The gas company did. See that meter box? It's empty. They took it. All the lines from other sites below me, like where the camper is, were on fire. What a day does. This is Friday, the 4th of April. By 11 o'clock, I'm going to show you some pictures, and the power lines are all run to where the poles are going to be to feed them, and Monday or Tuesday, the power company is coming to put in the poles and run the lines and finish the install, and then they're going to have it inspected, and then they're going to put in the meter, and then they're going to connect to my house. Literally that quick. They showed up about 8 a.m. this morning, and it's already dug and in the ground. Really done. Really, this is what I see at 11:35. Really. It's all done. It is. It's literally all done. They literally dug up to where the stuff is. Really. This is how they said to do it. By 11:35, it's all gone. No more people. Woke up today to snow on the ground. And it's supposed to snow tonight a little bit. And then the next night, Wednesday night, it's supposed to go all the way down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Literally, that's what's supposed to be coming. I'll show you some pictures what I woke up to this morning. Really. From the off-grid generator run, 12 volt, 120, no grid to the house yet, Monday night. Some pictures here on the SD card. And you guys are going to love this. About 8:30, 9 o'clock. By 9:15, the whole crew is here. The electric company, the other people, the wiring people. They showed up about 8:30 this morning with the old backhoe thing. And guess what? I think they're going to put the power lines in today. No joke. Really. What the side of the house looks like. So you guys can see it. March 20th, my life took a real bad turn. Really. It did. Really. It's raining. It's carrying on. The 7th. It's raining. It's pouring. You know, generators are running. Green cars driving away. You know, I don't see no electric company. I don't see no wire people. I mean, it's like living in hell. 7 p.m. March 20th, the power went out. The site was on fire. The pole was on fire. Firemen were here. Everybody was here. The clown show was here. Well, they don't care, you know. It's the guy that's got the camper and all that. Oh, it was hit. Who cares? You know, I'm living in a hell place. You know, who cares? Really? If they cared, they'd show up. This is the truth. I'm here. This is how you live in the 17-foot camper that was a test. Really. The thing was a test. You know, the only test I have is a house I've had for like 30 years, and you know, it's been hit a few times. Really. Been broke into, been hit by a lightning storm or two. You know, I'm getting tired of this crap, really. Life in the end times. What if the darn power grid went out totally? I mean, like, total blackout of the whole country. What would happen? Tell them, get the meter here as soon as possible. There's a shut-off in it. Emergency service disconnect. Really. I had a good Friday. They turned on the power. Really. It came on about 9:30 a.m. Really. It's on, man. I found out the grid is better than the generators. Really, it is. I run the camper. It runs. I have to charge the 3 batteries or whatever and one on it. It charges up a whole lot quicker. I use 2 smaller chargers and the smaller solar panels, and it'll charge up and run. I slept in it last night. I took a hot shower last night, really. I really took a hot shower. It was fine. You know, I just realized one thing. My solar is all topped off. They said all my solar wasn't working, all the grid ties weren't working. What if they put in the wrong system and they lost track of all the records, and they put in the wrong meter, and they put in the wrong power system to my house that they charged a guy $12,000 for? Really? They didn't put in a compatible system with what was on my house. Really? They didn't do their job they were supposed to do. I have to have everything like it was before the fire went out, before they fried the ground. You know, I have to have everything back to like what it was before. I'm not when you blow all my savings. Then you blow half the money in less than 2 weeks, and I have nothing fixed. Really, there's nothing really fixed on my house. I mean, I bought a goddamn $100 fucking microwave. Really, and a $40 box, and a space heater, and a $150 repair for the furnace. Right? What about the computer that fried fucking 2 months later? Right? What about I had to rebuild it 3 or 4 times?
You know, I'm beginning to think they didn't even do their jobs right, really. I mean, my RV ain't fixed. The insurance company, I changed already insurance companies over this. Oh, we have $1,100 deductible. What? Where am I gonna live? My house is unlivable like that. Where am I gonna live except for what I already own, which is the RV you guys ride? Where am I gonna live? They didn't offer to put me up somewhere else. They didn't offer to even. They even stole my rent for them months. Really? They didn't aid me in any way, shape, or form. I mean, the last time I was displaced, living in my uncle's house, taking care of him. Really. My phone. I just got a phone call on my ID. It says do not delete. 570-245-2803. No actual name. Just do not delete on the ID. I asked, who is this? And I said, then it hangs up. Really. I mean, I'm getting sick of this. Really, I am. This is like the 6th or 7th call since like 9 o'clock this morning. I haven't even had time to turn around to do anything. I barely I didn't even make my breakfast. I had cereal and milk. Really. I'm tired of this. My solar's been out. I had to reset it. It don't work. Yeah, it don't work. The grid ties don't work. It works just fine. You morons lost your minds, really. They have. It works just fine. You know, I want back to what I had before the fire, really. If you morons can't do that, see you in court, really.